Hi, I'm Ryan Adams, Business Account Representative at Westoba Credit Union. Today I'd like to talk to you about what we consider when analyzing a financing application. The first thing we look at is security. What are the value of the assets and what are the quality of those assets? The next thing we look at is cash flow or debt coverage. Is there sufficient income from the business? We then look at the business history or asset performance. We look at financial statements, rent rolls, income tax filing, as well as business projections. Next is the business plan or due diligence. Has there been sufficient due diligence completed on the proposed business transaction? The next thing is business risk. There are risks with any business out there. So is there additional means to support the business during challenging times? We have the experience and knowledge to properly structure a financing package for almost any business. Today I'd like to talk to you about what you should consider when buying an investment property. Historically, real estate has been one of the most consistent and strongest returning investments that you can hold in your investment portfolio. However, it is important to consider all costs and expenses when you're considering about acquiring a new investment property. Depending on the property, certain costs can be passed on to the tenants, while others need to be absorbed by the landlord. It is certainly important to understand who will be covering those costs. Items like insurance, property tax, utilities, and common area costs, to name a few. When considering buying an investment property, what are the current rents being charged and what will they be in the future? Is there a supporting rent roll that you can obtain to confirm that? We have the experience and knowledge to guide you through the purchase and management of your investment property. Today I'd like to talk to you about leveraging business relationships. Whether you're acquiring a new business or you have been a long-time operator, it is important that you have trusted business relationships that you can rely upon for helpful advice. Lawyers, of course, provide legal advice. Your solicitor can assist in drawing up purchase agreements, filing annual returns, and setting up your business structure. Accountants can provide helpful tax advice. They can prepare financial statements and also file personal and corporate tax returns. Also, they can provide input on business and asset valuation. Insurance advisors can aid in liability coverage, asset protection, life coverage, and key person insurance. Your local Chamber of Commerce can be a great asset. They can provide networking and personal development opportunities. They can also help you keep a good pulse on the current market conditions. Last but not least, financial institutions provide lending advice. Westoba Business Solutions team has over 200 years of lending experience. We have the experience and knowledge to be an integral part of your business relationship circle. For more information, please contact myself or another business account representative at 1-877-WESTOBA or westoba.com.